Hello and welcome to Shrimpy. My name is Jade, and today we are going to learn how to view performance and balances for a specific time frame. Shrimpy added a new feature that allows us to look at our portfolio at any point in time, starting from when we sign up for Shrimpy. We can see performance over a specific time period and our balance at that specific point in time. We can choose to look at performance and asset balances for a specific portfolio or for all portfolios. Click into a portfolio to see that portfolio's performance. Looking at the dashboard, we hover over the display graph. Select a point in time and we see the value of our portfolio at that time. Click Show Data and our assets will change to reflect their value from that point in the past. Now, let's say we want to see our performance from the last 3 months. We can do this by selecting the time frame drop-down box and selecting Custom. Set the date range we want to see performance for, and the graph will display performance for that time frame. Select Reset to clear the selected time frame. If you have any further questions about how to see your performance and balances for a specific time frame, please contact our support team at support@shrimpy.io. We are happy to help answer any questions.